Verifying your email on BlueSky Social is crucial for security and keeping your account safe. Let me show you how to do it quickly and hassle-free. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify your email address in BlueSky Social app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the BlueSky Social app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Then go to Settings option. Here tap on the Account option. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Verify Email or something similar. Tap on it. Here tap on Send Confirmation option. BlueSky will send a verification email to the address you used during registration. Head to your email inbox and look for a message from BlueSky Social. Once you find the email, open it. Then simply copy the confirmation code. Now go back and enter the verification code. Then tap on the Confirm button. And that's it, your email is now verified and your BlueSky account is even more secure. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.